Hi, I'm Sian, the Obsessive maker, and do you remember these Makers Cost Per Wear tracker labels? Well, I thought it was about time that I showed you how I mark my wears in the garments that I've applied them to. So let's check that out, shall we?
So here we have them. I have applied these cost per wear trackers to some of my garments in the last couple of months. I've also applied it retrospectively to a really well-loved make from 2018. I have mainly been using some black markers, one of them being a laundry marker by Bic, and the other one being an Art Studio pigment liner, which is water-based and water resistant. And they have been working really well as a black marker, and this has gone through the wash multiple times since I actually applied the label. They are working very well. I have also been using a Posca paint marker, a fine tip 0.7mm marker, and I've used it on these linen pants and also on this vest. I recently applied another label to this finished jacket, and I want to be a bit more adventurous. I want to kind of mix it up a little bit, make it a little bit more fun. And so I decided that I'm going to head out to my local stationery shop and see what they have on offer.
So what did I end up getting? Well, a rainbow of Posca paint markers with the fine tip 0.7mm. I got them because I know they work, but I did get sucked into trying out this beautiful Sakura Pen Touch pen. It says it's quick dry, permanent and opaque. It does seem to give out a little bit of ink when I tested it out on the paper, but I'm just going to give it a go anyway and hope that it doesn't seep through. So you can learn from my mistakes if that happens. I also did get a set of Staedtler Lumo Permanent Universal pens because they state that they are excellent smudge proof, waterproof, light fast and weatherproof. So I thought they would be a good option to replace the laundry markers that I currently have that are wearing out. Let's try it out on a fresh label.